Hi guys, this is going to be another test video using this Panasonic HDC 800 or whatever it's called. So I'm just going to make one of these little electronics kits that I pick up from eBay. Looking at this one, it looks like it's an infrared controlled switch. I'm fairly confident because that's an infrared sensor and that's a relay. That's a CD4017 BC, can't quite see with my glasses. Momentary push switch, somewhere to terminate your wires. That looks like a jumper setting. So, we've got a few resistors there, I better measure them. Just one capacitor, so that's alright. Oh no, two capacitors. That's a 10 volt 100 microfarads, 25 volt 10 microfarads. Okay, that one says 10, that one says 100. Back again. So, I think we can probably get this one in first. I don't know if there's a macro mode on that camera. I think there is. Turn my fan on, that'll make it a bit noisy, I'm afraid. Move my cup of tea out of the way. Looks okay. Right, so that's the first bit. zoom in a little bit. Okay, so what can we do next? Let's do some resistors. A 10k. That's not 10. That's not 10. That's not 10. Oh, that might be. Yeah, 9.88. Oh, just realised I didn't have the meter there. Let's have a look. 9.88. I think that might be the one. Let's just check this other one. One. Right, so that one's the 10. Or 1k up there, which was the 1. That looks like 1k. R9 4.7. It's not that one. 4.6, that's the one. Another 1k. I want to be that one. Yep, that looks close enough. Let's get them done out of the way. Because if the camera's too good, it'll show how bad I am at soldering. Okay, we've got one resistor left to go. Where's that? Over there, 15k. Yep, that's that one. That's all the resistors done. LED, flat edge there. Right, okay. Well, it's supposed to go there, but I'm not entirely sure which way around that's showing us. I don't recognise the sign, so I'll leave that for a minute. Q3 9015. And 9014. 9014 goes down there. Over there. Make sure I get it the right way round. There's a bit of blue tack, just hold that still. Too much muck on the iron there. Okay. These blobs look a little bit big to me. Make them smaller. Okay. What we got left? Diode. Got the grey mark on that end, and they've got a mark showing up there, so we'll assume that's right. relay. Do that yet? We should do, no, let's do the capacitors first. 10 microfarads. 10 microfarads. Grey stripe. That way round. And that one 100. 100. Okay. Right, that can only go one way. Yep. I realise I keep drifting out of camera shot, or at least nearly out of camera shot. Okay, so that's the relay in place. One of my videos I very carefully soldered this tag in place and realised I'd put it that way round so you couldn't get the wires into it. So I'll try and get that right this time. Okay, they're in place. Momentary switch. around a bit and get hot when I'm trying to hold it. So we probably want to use blue tack to hold it still. Okay, nearly there. So this fella, I wonder which way round it goes. I'm going to guess that way. If it doesn't work, then we know we got it wrong, don't we? All that's left now is that LED. I really can't make out what that's telling us, which way round it's supposed to go. If that's ground on that side, that goes round. I'm going to stick it in there. If it doesn't work, then I'm just going to have to desolder it and turn it around the other way, aren't I? Right, so we need a 5-volt supply and something to plug in there to see if it works. I'll go and see what I can find. Back again. So I've got 3 AA batteries and a little battery pack there to power the circuit board, and 3 AA batteries over here and another power pack that go across here, through the relay contacts, out again to this electric motor with a propeller on it, through that and then back to the battery. So we're just switching this propeller on and off, or this motor on and off. The LED, I don't know if we can actually see that LED is on. We can test it by pressing this momentary switch. That LED's actually gone out, so I'm not sure whether I got that the right way round or not, but it seems to work that way. So fan is running, press that again, fan stops. and if I use my remote control here, what should we do? Enter. Yeah, that works. Don't know if that was in camera or not. Let's do it over here somewhere. Press it again. Motor stops. So we've got an infrared controlled switch. Don't know if it works on all the different buttons. Works on 1. Works on 2. 3. 4. I don't know if you can see the LEDs coming on and off. If we turn that light out, might be a bit clearer. So it seems to be quite happy as long as it's getting some sort of infrared. Can you see that on this camera? Oh yeah, just about. Job done. In the video description there'll be the title, the listing title of this item. I don't give the actual eBay links anymore, just in case people think I'm getting some sort of payment from the sellers. I'm not. I just found the cheapest one I could find on eBay and ordered it. But it certainly works. If you like this video, then please share it with your friends. I need to get more views on my videos at the moment, and I think the easiest way to do that is if you share the video on your social media, whatever that may be, and that will encourage other people to watch my video. Thank you for watching, and that's it. Job done.